What's up, guys? How are you guys? How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Guys, let's share the feed. Let's get the feed going. Let's share the broadcast as many times as we can. Thank you, Austin. So, guys, let's share the feed. Let's get as many hearts going as possible. Yeah, guys, come on, let's share the broadcast. I don't see anybody sharing the broadcast. Come on, guys, we can do this. Let's do this. Let's share the broadcast, everyone. I don't see anybody doing it. No one is sharing. I can see when you're inviting followers. So I wasn't going to come online tonight. I've had a little bit of a rough day with some personal matters, and I kind of wasn't feeling too well. I was actually feeling a little bit sad, to be quite honest. So I kind of like bottled myself up in my office today and just did a bunch of nothing. I wasn't feeling too great. But then I realized, it's not about me. It's about thousands of individuals that look up to me and want me to inspire them and help them make money. So I said, you know what, it doesn't matter, it's not about me, it's about you guys. So I decided to come online. So it's just personal problems, I don't even know if I should tell. I shouldn't tell anybody about it. It's too many people here, but it's just like, long story short, I was just sad today. I wasn't feeling too good. But check this out, guys. I'm live on YouTube right now. I don't know if you guys know that or not. I don't know if you guys get the notifications, but my charts are up on YouTube as we speak right now. And in about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm going to direct everybody to go over to YouTube so we can trade together on YouTube. So I don't know how you're going to figure out how to get the notifications, but I want all of you guys to subscribe to my channel. It's Ocean Sky Official. Let me show you guys my channel. Okay. I have it written down here, so screenshot it. So guys, screenshot this. Everybody screenshot this, all right? These are all the best ways to get a hold of me. Alright, so add me to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. Alright? And guys, I've also got another individual that's going to be helping me trade on mentor tips. So I'm going to be, like I said, a lot of people have been asking me. I've been getting tons and tons and tons of emails about how many people I'm going to let in. All I can tell you guys is continue to pre-register, okay? Big Moss, what is this? I'll introduce myself in 1 second, all right? Individuals that don't know me, again, let me introduce myself. My name is Reza Mokhtarian. I go by Ocean Sky on social media. I'm currently, I'm 33 years old. I'm an entrepreneur and a venture capitalist. I used to live in the back of my car 5 years ago, and I've made just over $25 million in the last 5-6 years by basically being one of the best in the world at trading the markets, and then taking all the money, the millions I made, and building multiple companies with it. So I've taken all my experience and I've created a program where essentially individuals like yourself can emulate exactly what I did and to live their dreams, right? I am living my dreams now, and I love it. I'm blessed that I've made all this money, and it's a blessing. So I like to give back, and I like to help everybody and teach them exactly how it is that that I did what I did. And I believe I'm an excellent coach because I've learned a lot of solid lessons that, a lot of success hacks, business hacks that a lot of people don't know, right? In fact, I'm probably the best trader in the world at the moment in terms of the financial markets. So if you want to if you want to become a big time trader and become like a Wolf of Wall Street, well, I can teach you that, and I will teach you that. If you just want to become a business tycoon, a monster that can take a $9 domain name and turn it into a multi-million-dollar firm, I will teach you that. So just hang around. If you don't know me, now you know. All right. So with that being said, I'm the biggest on social media at the moment when it comes to mentoring and life advice and business advice and trading the market. So I am the biggest on social media, and I just launched my my own mentorship program. A part of it is $97 per month. Okay, $97 per month will essentially change your life. All right, go to www.mentortips. Hold on. Go to www.mentortips.com. Okay, and pre-register by entering your information and your email address. All right, and I want to vow something to everybody. All right, or I will return everyone's money back myself personally. I want to vow to someone. I want to make a declaration right now, and you guys to it. All right, you can hold me to it. If in the first week of launching Mentor Tips, all right, I don't make you guys enough money to pay for an entire year's subscription, I will return everyone's money and make it a 100% free website for life. You can save this on YouTube, save this as a recording. If in the first 1 week I don't help you guys make enough money to pay for 1 year subscription, I will return all of your money and I will turn it into a free website. All right? So that's my confidence. That's how I know that I'm going to take you guys and turn you into money-making machines. Money-making machines. All right? I'm going to turn you guys into psychotically powerful traders. Guys, if you weren't around last night, it was Sunday. The markets had just opened up. I randomly threw the charts on, and every single trade I gave out last night was money. Money. Guys, who made money last night? Who made money? So even if you did not want to learn and you just wanted to be a lazy guy that makes free money for the rest of his life, $97 a month can make you thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands per week or per month. Trust me. What I am launching is something the world has never seen. All right? In fact, it's becoming bizarre. Bizarre. What I'm doing now is borderline bizarre. Over 100 days and never a losing trade. It is borderline bizarre because if the biggest hedge funds in the world were taking my trades, they probably would have had bigger quarterly earnings than they currently do. I guarantee you, if the biggest firms in the world that manage money had taken my trades, their quarterly earnings would be a lot higher than it is right now. Anyone can say whatever they want. The proof is in the pudding. I've done it every single night. Every single night. We can't deny it. You know, nothing is pre-recorded. Everything is live as it happens. All right? So, and they probably do take my trades. All right? At the rate we are going, it's impossible for us not to become millionaires. Do you guys understand that? That's the crazy part. The only way is if I stop. Like if I stop everything right now and shut it down, or you guys just stop doing this, is the only way. There's no way that we cannot become millionaires doing this. It's impossible. When every single damn trade wins. And if you notice, even when I give you guys a trade that goes a little bit in a drawdown, right before I give the trade, I tell you guys, take a very small position. It's almost like I know this trade isn't directly going to profit. Right? So guys, if you want to be a part of this, all right, part of the most powerful team in the world, Go to www.mentortips.com and pre-register. It's $97 a month. I'm telling you right now, once I launch it, after 1 week, you guys may think I'm joking, I'm going to stop the registration because I'm going to take a certain amount of people in, and then you won't be able to register for another couple months. All right? I can't take so many people in at once. All right? So make sure you're pre-registering so I can select you. You're going to get an email from me this week, and it's going to say, this is the information, go register. All right? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to jump on YouTube right now and trade. All right? My YouTube is Ocean Sky Official. OceanSkyOfficial. So there's no point in me talking on this and on YouTube. So does everyone want to go to YouTube right now? Or you want me to stay on this and YouTube? Pick one. You want me to stay on both of them? You want to stay on both? I can stay on here as well. Okay, I'll be on both. I'll be on both, all right? I'll be on both. It'll be YouTube and it'll be Periscope. You can watch it on both ends, all right? So let me get the rig for my phone. All right, I'm YouTubing this and I'm Periscoping it. So guys, if you're on the Periscope feed, please, let's get the hearts going as much. All right, just hold on a second. All right. Stupid lighter. All right. Let me get rid of this. Auto hide the taskbar. All right. Everybody ready to go? All right, baby. And this is going to be left on YouTube as well. Actually, no, it's not. I'm going to delete it. I don't keep this on. I don't like to keep my live trading on YouTube. So, first pair we're going to take a look at tonight, baby, is Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Guys, please share the feed. Please, let's get as many hearts going as possible, guys. Let's get the hearts going. So I'm just going to put on a 4-hour time frame, and once again, I'm going to start off by drawing the trend lines out and see what's going on. I like to delete all my trend lines, not every single night. So it's so it looks like I'm starting off completely fresh. Can everybody see me on YouTube? Just hold on a second. One second. Let me make sure YouTube, everybody sees me. Yeah, YouTube is good. YouTube is good, and that's okay. Share the feed. I don't see anybody sharing the feed. Yes, right now my charts, what you're seeing on Periscope is in high definition, high quality on YouTube. All right? I'm doing 2 feeds right now, YouTube and Periscope. All right, so let's take a look at this right now. Let's start drawing out some support and resistance levels. So I'm just doing some small assessment here of the Euro USD. I'm going to go on a 1 hour and a daily. On a daily, it shows me that we are pushing upwards, but we're also at a resistance level at 112.55. All right, let me take a look at this now. Let me take a look at this. This daily candle is a bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing candle here. Let me take a look at this trade. All right, I'm going to be looking to sell Euro USD, guys. I'm not going to be looking to buy. I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to be looking to buy. I'm going to be looking to sell. And let me see. See, we got a good resistance level here. All right, we got a solid resistance level. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some solid entries for us. All right, so what I'm doing right now, gentlemen, is I'm drawing out what we call trend lines. Now, the objective of trend lines is to identify price action and movement within the markets. All right. Now, if you look at it, there's a 1, 2, there's a 3, there's a trend line here. Price is trading above the daily pivot point. All right. If you don't understand what I'm doing, again, go to www.mentortips.com, pre-sign up. The best $97 you'll ever spend in your life. All right. You'll learn everything and then some. So if you want to go short, you can. So if you want to scalp, you can go short on this position. All right. You can go short on the Euro USD. However, if you want a better entry point, just wait till this trend line breaks on a 15-minute level. All right, now I'm looking at scalping plays. All right, I'm looking at scalping plays. If this trend line here breaks, you can scalp short. However, with that being said, you guys know how I feel about my gut. My gut tells me there's a possibility we're going to make one leg higher and go up to the 113 area. So 1 hour, there is a possibility we're going to break through here, pull back, and then go up to this trend line, at which point the euro would collapse from there. It would collapse 110% from there. Sky marketing, Forex is 110% legal. It's how I made millions of dollars in 5 years. All right? So we have a couple options, guys. All right? If Euro USD breaks below this trend line, take a short position for only 15 pips. 1.5. All right? 1.5. Scalp it. If it breaks above this trend line, okay? If it breaks above this trend line, which I think it may, you're going to wait for a pullback, a retest, and then you're going to buy it. All right? However, overall, right now, I personally would not trade the Euro USD. Why wouldn't I personally trade the Euro USD right now? Because it's been a little bit inconsistent for me. Like, you know, way down, up, down, up, down. It's been a little bit inconsistent, and at the same time, it's sitting at a point where technically it should drop. All right? But if you look at the move yesterday, last night, it went 100 pips during news, right? With that being said, I don't see a lot of, I'm not very confident in the Euro USD in the sense that it will respect the trend right now. All right. Again, I personally would not trade it right now, the Euro USD. But if I had to trade it, I would just play off this trend line here. A break of this trend line downwards would, hey Taylor Royalty, nice to meet you. I would wait for this trend line to be penetrated downwards, and I would only collect 15 pips. Okay? The bigger trade would be if it broke up. If it broke up, I would buy it and collect around 70 pips. So the long play would yield me more money than the short play, because again, on the short, I would only take 15 pips and I will close it out. On the long, I'm going for 70 pips. All right? Does that make sense to everybody? Does that make sense? Again, we don't have to trade every single day, all right? Looking at the pound USD, let's take a look at it on a 4-hour. Again, it's bearish. I mean, this is a clear indication of a bearish movement downwards. I'm going to just draw a couple trend lines here. And boom, there's support that is sitting on right now. On a daily time frame, it's pretty bearish as well. However, it is sitting at support. It is sitting at support on a daily time frame, but it is quite bearish. So with that being said, I would like to sell pound USD on a break, okay, on a break of the 151.58 level. So a break below 151.58 would give me the opportunity to sell the pound USD with an open target, to be quite honest. I have an open target on it. First target is going to be the 50.72 area, but I would trade that. With an open target. Jag, they don't need to go to baby pips anymore, man. They just need to come to mentor tips. If you don't understand it, come to mentortips.com. I developed the site for a reason. mentortips.com. Pips, Jamie, pips means percentage and point. Okay? So pips means percentage and point. Alright? It's 1 pip is equivalent to saying 1 penny on stock. So if it goes up 10 pips, you can say it went up 10 cents or 10 points. Alright? So the only way our pound USD trade could at all be bullish is if this trend line is broken and retested. But that's not going to happen, because what I believe is we're probably going to come up to around here, and then we're going to get a break lower. Alright? That's what I want you to play. That's the only play I want you to take. I want you to play below this trend line. Alright? You're going to play below this trend line. You're going to look for selling opportunities, and that's it. We're not looking for any buying opportunities in a pound USD. Unless it breaks this trend line, and that's a whole different story. Alright? But I don't believe it will. So that's the pound USD. AUD USD, similar scenario, guys. Similar scenario. It looks like it's just about to break through a SNR level, so we can sell it. So once this level breaks, if you want to short, wait for a 69.46 to be broken convincingly, and then wait for the retracement back up to enter. So what you're going to do is wait for this price to break through, come down here. When it comes back up towards this area, you're going to sell it, and you're going to target lower. All right? Now, let me take a look at a few things here. All right? You have another option as well. Another option as well. If you don't want to take it on a clear break, you can wait to see if prices will go up another 50, 60 pips. Because if the prices do go up, if it does end up going up, it's going to be held by this trend line, at which point it is going to come racing right back down anyways. So again, we're looking for selling opportunities only on the AUD USD at the moment. Alright? We're only looking for selling opportunities on the AUD USD at the moment. Make sense for everybody? Free chat room. That's what you get for offering free chat rooms. Please don't come on here and solicit. You can offer the world and everything in it. My followers will never leave you. When you can trade like me, then you can act like me. Alright, NZD USD. Let's take a look at it. Here you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Very simple, baby. Look at this. Look, here. Boom. That's it. Simple as that. This is your trend line. Here's another one. As you can see, it broke, retested, boom, down she goes. All right. So let's take a look at some key levels for the NZD USD. Yep, you can sell NZD USD around the 63.17 area. So if prices come back up to around this area, you can look to sell and target downwards. All right. With the NZD USD, there is a very slight chance that it may extend higher towards this area here. All right, so we'll keep our eyes out, but I believe it'll still come down. But we'll keep our eyes on the 63.17 area, see if it gets penetrated or not. Let's look at it on a 15-minute time frame. So again, we're looking at this zone here to take a short. All right, and let's take a look at the USD CAD. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. There's a trade right here. All right, let's take a look at a daily. We're just making higher highs. Remember last week I told you guys we're going to 134 for sure? So you can set a buy. You can buy any break of this 134.08 area. Okay, that individual, what I want you to do is your trend lines, if they're stretching out, when you draw them, draw it, double click it so these squares come on the end, right click it, go to properties, come to parameters, and see where it says Ray, R-A-Y, uncheck it. Make sure Ray is not checked. That's going to fix your problem, all right? So, let me see if there's any possible scalp short. Now, if you want to scalp the retracement back, because it may do that, just wait for this to break. So in the next 15 minutes, you're going to see a downward push or an upward push for about 10-15 pips on the USD CAD. A break below this is going to obviously do one of these, you know, bring it down to this area right here. So a break below it is going to bring it just down to here, the 133.81 area, at which point it's definitely going to try to go back up, all right? Or you can just wait for it to break above here, all right? Retest, and then buy. So essentially, I am bullish on the US dollar. Okay, I am bullish on the US dollar. I believe in the US dollar. I believe it's going to go higher. All right? So, with that being said, guys, I'm going to come back and review the trades in a bit with you guys. I'm not very big on the markets tonight in the sense that I don't see a lot of development, which is fine. It's early in the week. But let's see how the trades pan out. Let's see how our trades work out, okay? And we will essentially take it from there, all right? Okay? So there is news tomorrow as well. There is news tomorrow as well. So just keep your eyes on the trades. Nothing tonight that I'm saying jump in right now. I just did a basic analysis for everybody just to let them know what's going on. All right. Now, with that being said, guys, again, for all the individuals, I want to understand what this is. This is mastering the market. So at this point, it's pretty much safe to say that I am one of the top traders in the world. And I've been making money every single day with my followers. So I've introduced mentor tips, which again is designed and aimed to teach the young individuals how to develop themselves and how to develop the business and how to become wealthy via the financial markets. So if you're interested, if you want to be a part of it, if you want to be a part of this, it's $97 per month. And I just made a agreement that if in the first week I don't make back all of your money or your whatever, you get it back. Like, this is how confident I am, right? So enter your information in, sign up. I want to see everybody a part of this family. I want to see everybody making money. I want to see everybody kicking arse. And we're just giving away free money. That's what we're doing. So anyways, I love you guys. I gotta get up. I gotta do a few things. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. It's amazing that now I've got like 600 plus people on Periscope and like 500 plus people on YouTube, and everyone's watching. This is great. I love it. All right, love it, love it, love it. So I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. If you're lost, don't worry. Okay. Let me show you all my information. If you're do is simple. Go to mentortips.com and pre-register. It's $97 a month. You don't have to pay anything today. My Instagram is there, my YouTube is there, my Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. All right? So, let me just take the headset off. So, everything is there, guys. All right? You guys are the absolute best in the world. You cheered me up tonight. And I shall be on Twitter in about half an hour. Much love, much blessings. God bless you all. We shall talk soon. All right? Take care, guys.